watch the Chinese version first because I like more members than EXO M. I don't know. I like Tao and Chris a lot, and it's not my fault, okay? It's not my fault. So I'm gonna watch the Chinese version first, and then I'll watch the Korean version. So yeah, let's go. Music start. I like that pose. That looks so awesome. What the? That looks really cool though. Oh my god, I love his red hair so much. Oh, the red. Even though he dyed it blonde, I think, now. Oh my god, his hair looks so freaking hot. Oh, red eyes! What's up? Is that how you say it? Can you tell me? I can't. Also with red eyes. It looks good, like when they're in silhouette form. Like that. That looks good. Oh my god! I knew there was something in the background. There's a wolf in the background. That's so creepy. See, look, that looks good. I like that. They should have had like bangs. That would have so looked better. It's like they're in slow-mo. It's like a spaz now. It looks like a spaceship, but I know it's not. Ah! That was pretty cool. No, with the wolf! Stop scaring me with the wolf in the background popping out. That's so freaky. That was okay. It wasn't as great and as awesome as I thought it would be. What happened to all of the skits? I heard there might be a drama version or something. I don't know. There's something with that. I don't know. But the choreography was really good. I feel like they could have been more elaborate when it came to them being wolves. Like I feel like they could have like put fangs in their mouths or something. I don't know, like something just a little something to emphasize them a little more. But the ending was pretty cool when they were wolves and they turned and that was creepy. And then the wolf in the background when they were standing there, it's like a blue background, but like if you look really close, it's like a wolf eyeball and like a wolf face. It's so creepy. Like that scared me. I like that a lot. I like the wolf howling in the song. So I want to give this 4 out of 5 stars. I feel like they could have been more elaborate, and it could have been more, and they could have put in more. So yeah, that was EXO M. I wonder if the EXO K version video would be any different, because usually there's not that many differences, but you never know. So I'm gonna watch that next, so stay tuned for that. Bye.